Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I will discuss another topic on Python programming language. And today I will discuss three different problems in Python. Right? So first problem is that to check a number is a neon number or not. Right? What is neon number? A neon number is a number where sum of digits of square is equal to the same number. Right? The second problem is that to display the Disarium numbers between 1 to 200. Right? What is Disarium number? Disarium number is a number where sum of its digits powered with their respective position is equal to that number. Right? And the third problem is that in a list there have several numbers are there. Count even and odd using lambda function. What is lambda function? Lambda function is a function which is known as anonymous function. Right? So go to the computer screen. Through Python IDE, I will discuss today's problem step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I am just within the Python IDE and here I will discuss three different problems. So first problem is that write a Python code to take a number as input and check the given number is neon or not. What is neon number? A neon number is a number where sum of digits of square is equal to the given number. Right? So I will write the code here. Already I saved the file. The name is given example underscore 4.py. Okay, so at first we take a variable n where we take the input. So just write int because we know input is take as a string. In form of string it can take as input and we convert into integer. So that's why you are typecast here, and write within this double quote enter a number, put a colon, double quote end, parenthesis close and new line. Okay, now we take a variable sq equal n double asterisk 2 means we find out the square of that number at first. Okay, and then we take another variable s underscore d whose value initialized at 0, and then take a while loop and just check sq greater than 0, put a colon, and we write the statement here. At first we write s underscore d plus equal sq %10 means we are find out each and every digit from there, right? And also add it within that particular variable s underscore d, and the each and every digit come from the square of that number, right? And then we write sq double slash equal means we find out the float division and just write equal 10, right? So we find out the quotient, right? And after now outside the while we are just write here if means we are checking s underscore d equal n. If it is true then it just print it's a neon number. So just write print, and we are using here formatted string within double quote. We are just write here the number and within the brace just use n is a neon number, right? And same way if we find out the else part, so it's a not neon, so just print same way using a formatted string within double quote just write the number within brace n is not a neon number, double quote end, parenthesis close and enter. So if you save this file, already saved within the file name example underscore 4.py. If you run this code just press F5, enter a number, just enter 9. Yes, 9 is a neon number. Why? If you square it, so we got 81. So 8 plus 1 is 9 again. So that's why 9 is a neon number. So if we again run it and put some number which is not neon, suppose we put 10 and press enter, the number 10 is not neon because, so if we find out the square of 10 is 100, so 100, if we add it, it get 1, it's not 10. So that's why 10 is not a neon number, right? I hope you have understood the first problem where we check a number is a neon number or not, right? Now go for the second problem. And the second problem is that write a Python code to print all Disarium numbers between 1 to 200. What is Disarium number? A Disarium number is a number where sum of its digits powered with their respective position is equal to that number. Suppose the example is 175. So 1 position is first, 7 position is 2, 5 position is third. So 1 to the power 1 plus 7 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 3. So we got 175 again. So 175 is a Disarium number. So we write the code here, okay? So at first here we take a function and put the name is Disarium. So just write def Disarium, right? And take the argument as n, and within that we write our logic. So at first we take a variable n underscore s equal, and we convert this n into string, so that's why you can find out each and every digit very easily, right? Then we take another variable d underscore s equal and use sum this function, and using the parenthesis and just write int and just write digit and then parenthesis close double asterisk, and then we are using within again parenthesis id plus 1, okay? And then we use a for loop for, and then we just write here id comma digit and then write in, and then here we are using a enumerate and just write enumerate, and we send the argument here n underscore s, right? So whatever we write here, it's actually known as a generator expression, which is similar like a list comprehension. Actually enumerator take two things, one is the iterator as its argument and also a counter. By default the counter is 0, that's why we are adding 1, because normally the counter is start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So we need here 1 because the position is 1, first position, not 0. That's why here we add plus 1, okay? And after we just write the last statement of the function Disarium, just return it and just write return d underscore s equal n. It's just checked here, okay? And outside of this function we are using a for loop num in, and we use a range here because we know, because we find out the Disarium number within a range between 1 to 200. So that's why we will write here 1 comma 201, because the stop value of the range doesn't go up to that. So that's why we just write one extra value, means 1 plus. That's why 201 means it's go up to 200, right? And here we just checked here if Disarium and send the argument num here, right? And if it is true, so what happen? It will print the all Disarium number. So just write here print, and the value is your num, comma, and also put another argument int equal double quote open space double quote close and parenthesis close, means it will print with a space in that way. Each and every number have the space between two numbers, right? And save the file, just press alt s, because already saved the file within the file name example underscore 4.py. So if you run this code, press F5. So you got the all Disarium number from 1 to 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 89, 135 and 175. Already told each and every number have its own position. We just power with that position, means 1 to the power 1 plus 7 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 3. So in that case 1 plus 49 plus 125. So 1 plus 49 is 50 plus 125 is 175. So in that way all the numbers will come from there. I hope you have understood today's second problem, how to find out the Disarium number, right? Means how to check a number is a Disarium number or not, right? Now go for the third example, right? Now the third problem is that write a Python program to count even and odd numbers in a list using lambda function. What is lambda function? Lambda function is a anonymous function, right? So here we write the code within that particular file name is example underscore 4.py. So at first we take a list, just write L equal, and we put random lots of numbers, even or odd, whatever, we don't know, but we put all the numbers and it will check the numbers are even or odd and how many even numbers and how many odd numbers are there. So we randomly take some numbers within that, right? And now the another variable we take, suppose is underscore even, right? And here we use the lambda function lambda, and then we check x colon x percent 2, means if the number is divisible by 2 and remainder is 0, we can say it's an even number. So if it is equal 0, so it's stored in the is even. And is odd, same way, find out equal lambda x colon x percent 2 not equal 0, so it's known as an odd number, right? Now here we use another variable e underscore n, and here we find out the total part, means how many numbers are even and how many numbers are odd. So en contain the even numbers and eo contain the all odd numbers counting, right? So in that case we are using the len function, and within that we are using the another constructor or function is a list, and just use here filter. Actually filter returns a iterator object which need to convert into the list, right? And this filter needs two arguments. One is the function name, so function name is at first is underscore even because it's an anonymous function from the lambda is concerned, and also we send the iterator. So here iterator is the list L, right? Then close it, then close this len parenthesis. And same way we find out the o underscore n, means number of odd is concerned. So same way len list filter, and the function for odd is underscore odd, and iterator is L, right? And now we just print the result. So just write print, and as a f string is concerned, we write within a double quote that even numbers count, just put a colon, and then just write within a brace, just write e underscore n and brace close. And same way if we print the number of occurrence of odd number, so put the f string and just write here odd numbers count, put a colon, put a brace, and just write here o underscore n, right? This filter function returns a iterator object which need to be converted into list, and within that list how many element is there, just count by the len function. If we save this code within the file example underscore 4.py, if you run this, just press F5, even number is 7, odd number is 7, just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes, 7 even numbers are there, and odd numbers just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Same way we count the 7 odd numbers and 7 even numbers. I hope you have understood this problem also. So today I have discussed 3 different problems in Python. If you have some doubts from today's problem is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Argument for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.